Good morning, children. I came back with your maths class. Now, what about the worksheet? Did you all do it correctly? Now, some are telling yes, ma'am. The question was damn easy, na? The worksheet. I did it in a very, very easy manner so that all of you can do and get out. 25 out of 25 you will get. The question was very, very, very easy. Damn easy question. All of you could do it, huh? All of you could do it? And children, we know that we are passing through a very hard time now, a very crisis period. So, I'm going to teach you maths in such a manner that the maths which are very important, okay, based on those important sums, I'm going to do my work, and you have to pay attention to it, and you will also work according to that. Now, it is not possible in maths to do all the sums and to show you, but sums based on that. So, suppose I am doing a sum and the 10 sums are of that same type. So, what you will do? You will do the 10 sums following my 1 or 2 sums. So, that you have to do it yourself, and your moms are there. Please, cooperation is very much needed. They will check it what you are doing. Okay? And so, today I am going to teach you multiplication. So, all of you know, my dear children, that what multiplication is, what to do, multiply, the sign also you know, everything you know. Now, what about your multiplication tables which I am giving you? It is the instruction of Rector ma'am. Rector ma'am told that the students should learn the tables from 1 to 25. So till 5 I have completed. I gave in your question also, in your worksheet also, fill in the blanks, in the fill in the blanks forms. So I supposed all of you did it correctly, and you will get 6 table also you will get, and 1 table in each week. Per week you will get 1 table. That is 6 table this week, next week 7 table, and my dear children, you are having 7 days time to learn one table. You can do it, I suppose. Now today I am going for multiplication. Now it may come in your mind that what this multiplication is. So multiplication is the condensed form of addition, a short form of addition. Suppose if I write 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 15s you have to add, and then you have to do it. 5 plus 5, 5, then 1 more 5, then it's coming 10, then 1 more 5, it's coming 15, now 1 more 5, it's coming 20. So 2 carry a 0 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 2, 6. So it's a long process. This is a long process. To make this long process short, we are doing this multiplication. That is 15. If you know 15 table, you have to learn. 15 what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 15 fours are what? Now my children, you are telling, you're just raising your hand. Ma'am, I know what it is. It's what I know. It is 60, ma'am. Yes, my dear children. So, to avoid this long process of addition, we go for this multiplication. It is the condensed form or the short form of addition. That is multiplication. And the answer, what is this answer of multiplication called? Now some of my children are telling, ma'am, I know, it is product. The result of multiplication is known as product. So the result of addition is sum. Subtraction is difference. Multiplication is product. Keep in your mind. Okay. So the answer of multiplication is product. Now I will go on with the sum. And to do your multiplication, you have to be very much aware with your multiplication table. It should come in your mind what this multiplication table is. You have to learn by heart in order to do the multiplication sums. Now I will go with the straight over with the multiplication sums. So till here it is clear to you. I gave an introduction. Now, how to do it? See, suppose the first sum is given over here, 210 multiplied by 63. How I will do this sum? Now first, with this I will multiply this number and this number. Let's see. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. And 3 twos are is 6. Now this work is completed. So this work is completed. So what I will do, I'll give a cross over here. So first house work is completed. Now I will go to the second house. So the second house, first I will multiply this with this 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are is 12. Now this process is completed. All of you, my dear children, pay attention over here. Then what I will do? I will do a addition of it. 0 and this cross is 0. 3 and 0 is 3. 6 and 6 is 12. Carry 1. 2 and 1 is 3 and 1. So what the answer is? 13,230. So this is the answer. This is how you have to do a sum. Then one more I am going to teach you. So please all of you pay attention over here. So when this work is completed, you will put a cross over here. This house work is completed. You will go to shift to the next house. Then I am doing. So based on these sums, you will do all other sums in your house, and you practice your multiplication sums. It's very much needed. Practice it in your house. And you should know how to do your multiplication sums. Now, I'm doing with a 4-digit number. 2, 4, 3, 7, then into 35. So the multiplication sign is given over here. Now, let's see. 7 fives are what? First I will do with this. This and this. This one I'll just keep aloof from it. Okay. So 7 fives are what? 35. So 3 carry 5. 5 threes are 15 and 3? 18. Carry 1, 8. Now, 5 fours are 20. 20 and 1 is 21. 2 carry 1. 5 twos are 10. 10 and 2 is 12. So this work is completed. Let's check once again. 7 fives are 35. 3 carry 5. 5 threes are 15. 15 and 3 is 18. Carry 1, 8. 5 fours are 20 and 1 is 21. 2 carry 1. And 5 twos are 10 and 2 is 12. So this work is completed. This 5's house is completed. Now I'll be concerned with whose house now? Now I will be concerned with this 3's house. This 5's house is completed. I'll give a cross over here. 5's house completed. Give a cross over here. Now I'll go to the 3's house. Now 7 threes are 21. 2 carry 1. 3 threes are 9. 9 and 2 is 11. Carry 1. 1. 4 threes are 12 and 1 is 13. Carry 1. 3. 3 twos are 6 and 1 is 7. Now it is 5. 8 and 1 is 9. 1 and 1 is 2. 3 and 2 is 5. 7 and 1 is 8. So how I did check this once again? 7 threes are 21. 2 carry 1. So first I give a cross over here because 5's function is completed. Now I give a cross. It's 3's function starting from here. 7 threes are 21. 2 carry 1. 3 threes are 9 and 2 is 11. 1 carry 1. Now 4 threes are 12 and 1 is 13. Carry 1. 3. Now 3 twos are 6 and 1 is 7. Now and when I add it here, the function is of addition. 5, 8 and 1 is 9. 1 and 1 is 2. 3 and 2 is 5. 7 and 1 is 8. So this is how your answer will be. This is how your multiplication should be. Now clear, my dear children? Now I am going to teach you the other sum. So based on these sums, all the sums are there. Based on this type, you have to practice all the sums in your house. The more you will practice in your maths, the maths will be more easier to you. Maths is just like a game. You should do it. The time you are taking to play some games, you just do your multiplication sums. Take it as a game, you can do it. Now I am going for 3-digit number, that is 528 multiplied by 426. So I am going to this sum. See, previous sums you did with the 2-digit number down. Now you are doing with the 3-digit number. Now first I will be concerned with this and this. And this 2 I will not see. I will not see this 2. I will only go for this. Okay. 6 8s are 48. 4 carry 8. 6 2s are 12 and 4 is 16. Carry 1 6. 6 5s are 30 and 1 is 31. So this is completed. Let's see if we did it correctly or not. 6 8s are 48. 4 carry 8. 6 2s are 12. 12 and 4 is 16. Carry 1 6. 6 5s are 30 and 1 is 31. So here it's completed. Now I'll rub this. This I will rub, and this 6 I will rub. And as the 6 work is completed, I'll put a crossover here. I'll put a crossover here. Then I'll go for this 2's work. This 2. 8 2s are how much? 8 2s are, see 8 2s are is 16. Carry 1 6. 2 2s are 4 and 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. Let's check once more. 8 2s are 16. Carry 1 6. 2 2s are 4 and 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. So it's completed. Now I'll put another cross over here. See children, I put another cross over here. See this cross. Now I will go to the next house, that is this 4th house. Because this 2 work is already completed, I gave 2 crosses over here. Now 4 8s are is 4 8s are how much children? Yes ma'am, we know it is 32. Okay. Now 4 2s are 8 and 3 is 11. Carry 1 1. 4 5 4s are 20 and 1 is 21. And now a big addition we have to do. Now let's check. 4 8s are is 32. 3 carry 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 and 3 is 8. 9 10 11. 11 carry 1. Now 5 4s are 20 and 1 is 21. So 8. 6 and 6 is 12. Carry 1 2. 5 and 2 is 7. And 7 and 1 8. 8 and 1 is 9. 3 and 1 is 4. 1 and 1 is 2. And here is 2. So it is 2,24,928 is the answer. This is how you have to do the long multiplication sums. Please see it, my dear children. Now I am rubbing the board. One more sum I am going to show you. One more sum I am going to show you. That is 936 multiplied by 154. Now the children will tell me how I will do the sum. Students, prepared new type of sums with the 3-digit down you are learning. Okay? Now, so first this function, this 4 and together with this. So 4 6 are is 24. 2 carry 4. Now 4 3s are is 12. 12 and 2 is 14. Carry 1 4. Now What is 4 nines are? 4 nines are is, ma'am, it's 36 and 1 is 37. 36 and 1 is 37. Now this function is completed, force function. Okay. Now I will cut this one's house function completed. Now I will go down for tens function. One's function is completed, I gave a cross. Now I'll go for this tens function. Let's see what is it talking about. 5 6 is 30, 3 carry 0. 5 3 is 15 and 3 is 18, carry 1, 8. 9 5 are 45 and 1 is 46. Now this tens function, let's check once. 5 6 are 30, 3 carry 0. 5 3 are 15 and 3 is 18, 1 carry 0. Then 5 4s are 9 5s are 45 and 1 is 46. So it's now this tens function is also completed. So keep a cross in tens function. Ones function, 1 cross. Tens function, 1 cross. Completed. Now let's go for the hundreds function. Let's see this. It's very easy. 6 ones are 6, 3 ones are 3, 9 ones are 9. Now what we have to do? We have to add now. 4, 8 and 6 is how much? It is 14. 14 and 7, 21. 2 carry 1. Now 3 and 2 is 5. 5 and 6 is 11. 11 and 3 is 14. Carry 1, 4. 9 and 1, 10. 10 and 4 is 14. Okay? It is 1,44,144. This is how your sum should be. So my dear children, listen, I taught you the sums with 2 digits down and 3 digits down. Okay? So all of you, please practice this type of sums. It's new to you. Practice all the sums. Take a bit help from your mother or from your father, whoever is doing it. Please take it and you do the sums in a correct manner. Practice the sums in your house. In your next maths class, I am going to do word problem sums. Okay children, I am going to do the word problem sums based on multiplication, and I will send it in your assignment also, the multiplication sums, which the word problem sums on multiplication. I will do it, but you practice the sums. It is very important. You practice all these sums. You are having a lot of sums in your maths book. You practice, take it as a game. Okay, just play with the sums. You will find it very interesting. First you have to cancel the ones house, then you have to cancel the tenth house. Now if one more digit is coming, then you have to cancel the hundreds house. After that you will have to cancel the thousands house. So this is the procedure how you have to move one by one with this multiplication sums. Okay my dear children, it's very easy, but easy at that time when you are practicing a lot. If you are not practicing and if you are not learning the tables by heart, then multiplication will be very difficult for you. But if you learn the tables, if you revise the tables every day, then multiplication sums are very easier to you. And I think my students, you are very good. My children, I love you a lot, my dear. I love you all a lot. So please listen to me. Please listen to my advice, what I am telling you. Learn the multiplication tables until and unless you know all the tables very nicely, very thoroughly. You can't do the multiplication sums. To do the multiplication sums, first you have to learn the tables. Be very thorough with the multiplication tables. Then you can do all the sums very nicely. Okay, my dear children. So till today, bye-bye. Stay safe in your house. Don't disturb your mom and do the sums seriously and sincerely. And learn your multiplication tables, and please follow the homework assignment which I am giving it you in your homework assignment. Okay, bye-bye. Bye till then. We're going to meet in the next class with your word problem sums. Okay, bye children. Bye.